So welcome back, we've got a SketchUp tutorial and it's the creation of the I Joist 4 system. This is part 2. So we've already created the actual I Joist in the previous video. We're now going to create a 4 system from this. First of all, let's take the original I Joist and we'll place it over into our library of parts. We'll then duplicate it and we'll start making a panel from it. First thing to do is obviously make it unique. What we'll also have to do is to go in and make each component within this unique. We'll go in, double click, we'll make that unique, and this one unique, and this one unique. Now let's rotate it over. So I want to rotate it actually on the red axis, that's the right arrow. So press the right arrow key, and then rotate it 90, press 90, enter. That's absolutely fantastic. Now, what I would like is also a piece of timber as well. So I'm going to grab the original piece of timber, move it over, keep the original there always, never destroy it, and we'll right click, make that unique. We'll rotate this as well, and rotate it on the green axis this time. That's the left arrow key. Rotate 90. And this time, I want this to be 45 by 245 timber. So I will take measure. We'll go 45 that way. We'll do that first. Right click, select the object, hit the face. I apologise. Push and pull and select my face. Remove my construction line. Select the top face and pull that up to there. Absolutely fantastic. Now, what I want to do is make another construction line from here, and I'm going to go 2400, and then I'll make another one back in the way 45, enter. If I select my I Joist, go into it, select the bottom piece of timber, double click, select that face, and pull that out, and snap it onto that first construction line, and then snap out, select the OSB, do the exact same thing, select the face I want to push and pull it out until we've got to again the same face, and then now it's just the top piece, double click, select the surface, pull it out, and we've now got that absolutely sorted. Now, if I take this original piece of timber that we've got, we'll give that a name as well. We'll give that 2_ZZ underscore, so that should be capital Z, ZZ underscore TIM underscore floor string. We'll call it string STR, floor STR. Perfect, means a 4 stringer, that's what I'm calling it. And then I'll move that over by copying M for move, keep the original there, move it along the left arrow, so the green axis, snap it onto the end. We now know from external edge to external edge, it's now 2.4 meters. And then from tape measure, let's go along this direction along the red axis and press the right arrow key, 1200, perfect. And we'll make the stringer snap on to that edge. Double click, select the face that I want. You notice I've not made it unique, so that means both the stringers will go to the same length, snap to that construction line. Absolutely perfect. Take away that construction line, take the original joist that we've made, and move it over, keep the original there, and put it on to the very end, and we can take one of them, keep the original, move it along the red axis, that's the right arrow key, 600, enter. And we've now got the makings of a 4 cassette. If we now just simply grab the piece of OSB from the material library, we'll select the original one, press M for move, keep the original one there, and we'll just snap it on up here just now. We'll right click, make it unique, let's rotate it. We'll rotate it on the red axis, 90, enter. We'll give it a name, so we'll change its name there, and ZZ, we'll call that for FLOOR OSB. Right, we'll do that, for underscore OSB. Enter. And now we'll just bring this piece of OSB to the extremities of that panel. Select the face I want to push and pull. Bring that all the way out. Perfect. Select this face and bring that all the way out. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do is make this into a panel. So select the entirety of that content, right click, make component, and now I'll give this a name, 2 underscore ZZ underscore floor floor pan, PAN, underscore 001. Enter. Let's get its unique name. And very quickly, what we could do is, now we've got one floor panel, we could indeed actually duplicate that out and make a generic shape. There's four panels one way, and I could indeed, if I wanted to, grab another one, put it here, and perhaps rotate it on the blue axis, 90 degrees, and I'm now starting to get a generic floor shape of a micro dwelling. I think for just now, this will do. And in the next video, we'll start to show you how to put wall panels onto a floor system like this.